Turbosonic is an amazing exercise and medical device that allows patients to get an hour's worth of exercise in 10 minutes with no effort.
This vibration therapy provides the first safe, effective way to excite human cells.
The Turbosonic is a whole-body vibrational device.
It comes from sound technology, which is vibrational therapy.
What it's unique about it is that it's passing sound energy into the tissues of a person's body.
It will exercise every cell of your body in 10 minutes.
One of the many ways that I know for certain that the Turbosonic is assisting me physically is that with each vibration, it causes all the muscle fibers in your body to flex and relax. That flexion and relaxation is causing a lot of work happening in your body, building strength, building flexibility.
Shortly after beginning using the machine, I was sleeping better. My energy level was going up.
Within 30 days, most of my patients have lost 6 to 10 pounds.
20 pounds, and then of course I've tightened up, and I would say that I've tightened up my body's tightened up my skin. You can feel it in your face.
But you can really feel it working even when you're there. You can feel something's happening.
It's just such an amazing tool for health and well-being.
I have seen all sorts of successes with the Turbosonic. I have seen patients lose weight. I have seen patients have their blood pressure come down. I have seen patients have dramatically brighter mood.
They have increased circulation, they have increased muscle tone, helps osteoporosis.
There's been weight loss, there's been people who've had different joint issues clear up. There's been people who have been fatigued and get on it and feel energized.
There's increased circulation, there's increased metabolism. The body cannot help but resist these vibrational inputs. Therefore, the body is toning, it's strengthening, it's increasing bone density, improving muscle strength, tendon strength, ligament strength.